morning, everyone. I want to show you this one, which I haven't seen in a couple of days. Leaning quite heavily. But look at the blooms. It is all out in bloom. God, that's gorgeous. Look at that. The detail. It's so windy here today. It's actually blowing me over a little bit. But isn't that beautiful in all its splendor? Now I'll minimize this again so you guys can see how much it's actually leaning. See? Leaning quite a bit. There's the bottom of the plant. And that's how much it's leaning. But it's fully out. It's gorgeous this morning. Sun's hitting it right.